Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Very nice car, guys. It's got about 10,000 miles on a body-up restoration, a little bit of an older restoration, 10, 12 years old, but very well maintained. One thing I'll tell you about this car, guys, if you've watched my videos before, I kind of complain about Camaros that they just don't drive well. You Camaro guys will know this. You know, you kind of hit a bump and they change lanes, they rattle a little bit. I'll tell you what, this car drives down the road nice and tight. Drove it this morning. Matter of fact, it's been sitting out here for a couple hours waiting for me to get a video done. We've just been crazy busy today. But it hit the road great. Nice and tight, shifts good. Car really goes down the road nice. Like I say, even our crappy roads here, you hit bumps, and man, it's just nice and smooth went over them. But good car. It's finished in Hugger Orange. It's got the white hood and deck stripes. You can see it's got the SS hood. Front and rear spoilers, Kentucky car, couple little things. You can see it's got a little crack in the valance. I've seen a couple, where are they here? A couple little touch-up marks. Yeah, I know there's a couple of them. I saw them in there. Yeah, a couple little stone pecks. Other than that, pretty doggone slick car, man. Front bumper looks original. Shows a little wear there. But the paint's slick. Good running small block with a comp cam in it, so car hits the road good. And it's been sitting out here waiting for me to get this video done, but unfortunately we just got crazy busy. Paint slick, a little scratching here in your back glass. Hey Mike, have this guy pull on the side. I can see. It's just a little dust, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got Goodyear Eagle STs all the way around it with the 14-inch SS rallies. Rear bumper looks new. Good looking car. Let me snare in your paint. Again, 350, small block, 4-barrel, HEI distributor. It's got a comp cam in it. You can see it's got a nice set of finned aluminum valve covers, Edelbrock intake. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 350 trans, detailed up nice underneath the hood. That wind, Mike, just leave it down. Yeah, just open it and leave it down, I'll lift it. It's a good car, man. These Camaros are hot. Matter of fact, I was just at a little auction down in Florida this weekend. And man, it's just crazy what first-gen Camaros are. These cars are just on fire. They're hard to even find. Chrome mirror. Door handles look good. It's got the stock black vinyl interior, good clean door seams. Put new carpet in it. They've definitely recovered the seats. bucket seats console. It's got that sport wheel, but I can't remember the name of the company that makes those. Those are pretty doggone nice. Seats are nice. Yeah, 10,225 on your odometer. That's supposed to be on your restoration. Fuel gauge works, speedo works, aftermarket radio works. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath there. The dash is nice. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the stock 331 10-bolt rear end with the multi-leaf rear suspension in it. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. That is a good car, man. It's got a good look to it. Sits good for a C69 Camaros, man. Probably, hey, that and the 70 Chevelle, probably the two most popular muscle cars ever built. Door rubbers on it. Again, the door seams are clean. Only a couple of touch-up marks. Seat there. They definitely put some new padding in there. Console. Go ahead and fire it up, Mike. Go ahead and start it. Yeah, door handles are clean, nice, definitely replaced. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, nice little cam to it. Nothing crazy. It's not a race car, but it hits the road good. Good sound. Fun little car. And like I say, I don't say this a whole lot on a Camaro. Very impressed by the way this car drove. It hit the road good, guys. Like I say, normally you hit a bump and they rattle and shake. Not this car at all. Shut that door, Mike. Doors closed good. It's got good sound. Backup lights work. Give it a little rev, Mike. Got good sound. And I know the gauges work down here. Holds good oil pressure. Radio works. Blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Car's got good sound.